Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert multiple rows in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if you wanted to add 8 rows, okay, so how you can basically do this. So you will select all of these rows here. Basically you will select this row here, and if you want to add the 8 rows, then you will just click on right click on these values here. Or let's suppose that if you wanted to add 10 rows, so first of all you will select 10 rows here, then you will right click and click on insert and click on entire row, and above you can see that it has successfully entered the 10 empty rows. So that's how to add multiple rows in Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.